Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your PracticePanther, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you delete or remove a client or a contact in your PracticePanther? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you need to remove a contact from your PracticePanther anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running a business, you know that sometimes you reach out to your clients or contacts and they write back with a nasty message. So maybe it's better just to go ahead and delete them. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your PracticePanther dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instruction there as well. But I've already logged into my PracticePanther, and this is the home screen. And here on the home screen, if you want to delete or remove a client or a customer, here on the blue bar, you're going to click on Contact. All right, once you do that, you're going to see all the contacts you have in PracticePanther. So there's a few different ways you can delete them. So the quickest and easiest way is you can check this box next to their name. Once you do that, you're going to see this little blue button pop up. Go ahead and click on the arrow next to it. Once you do that, you want to click on delete. It looks like a trash can. Another way you can do this is you can go ahead and just click onto their name. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see their name up here on the top, and then you're going to see a trash can. Click on delete. Once you do that, you'll see a confirmation screen. Are you sure you want to delete this contact? If so, click on the green yes button. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to delete or remove a contact or a client inside of your PracticePanther, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.